If you're parenting a teen who struggles with school, your evenings may sound like this.
I was up till midnight almost every single night doing homework.
Yikes.
I think I was crying the night before.
I'm Jason, founder of Onward Rising and creator of the Core Confidence Program. Our program builds the systems behind the behavior, because behavior typically isn't the real issue. Missing skills usually are.
She didn't have to be up till midnight. Wasn't sure how to help herself.
And I just felt like I needed extra assistance as a parent. I can know the things, do the things, but were the things working? Not exactly.
If you're ready for real change, click below. Let's talk. And let's restore the calm in your home like Jesse, Andrea, and many others that witness growth in their teens.
Yeah, Jason, I didn't know what to expect.
Yeah.
We started this, but this has gone beyond my wildest expectations and where she's at. We're only 6 weeks in. It's rather remarkable how she's taking to this.
Like, I didn't know you needed to do this. I didn't push you. This is what task initiation is. And telling him, like, this is what we worked on, and you did it in a different capacity. And as a parent, I was proud to see that come full circle. But I was happy that he was able to see he was able to do that for himself.
Discover what actually works. Click the link, fill out the form. Let's create the change that your family deserves.